So let's talk smart glasses. So I found these smart glasses right here, and these don't have a camera on them. They sort of kind of remind me of the Meta Ray-Ban glasses. They have telephone dial, touch control, music, voice assistant, no camera though. And these are like around like $20. And I want to open and unbox them just to show you guys exactly what they look like. Because again, I think that an alternative is needed for the Meta Ray-Ban glasses. And I think that this may be it. I haven't used these, but I do know summer's coming. A lot of people are going on vacation and they will be using glasses. So let's check them out. So it comes with like this little, I guess, glass wiper. Then it comes in like this bag. It's a little hard, but it's a bag. And then this is the charger, which is interesting. It's a USB, but then it has some type of magnetic input, which seems to be two magnetic inputs. Then it has this, I guess this is how you get the app. So this is going to be, these are VI Glass app download operation guide. So I guess it doesn't necessarily, oh it does. It comes with a manual as well, but this is going to be how you connect. And this is a newer product, so haven't fully tested it. I may have a video coming of me testing these. This is going to be the glasses right here. And again, looks normal, right? Nothing really different. I do see the magnetic, maybe where you're charging them at right here, and then another one right here. So they are both on both sides. You have the safety logos right here. Okay, I just heard it say power on, so speaker does seem to be very loud, and they're clear. That's what intrigues me about these. These are clear. Now, clear glasses, smart glasses, are honestly something I think that are really, really understated, because you can wear these no matter what. Now, I have, of course, the Meta Ray-Ban glasses, and they have dark lenses, and I can't wear these all year round or wear them all year round. These you could wear all year round, but you don't have the camera. The camera would be like right here. These don't have the camera. I don't know. I don't know what to think of these guys. They may actually be worth it. It's not a high price point, obviously, but again, we have to think about the use cases, right? Like, what would you need to use it to dial for, or the touch control, or just music? So essentially, these are headphones in the form of glasses, technically. I don't think you can use Siri with these. I believe you're using the glasses AI, which is interesting. I think my issue would always be the use case for the glasses. What would I use them for, right? I feel like at some point you have to analyze with each product why you would or the customer would, because again, you do have buyer's remorse. So if you're buying these to resell, I don't think so. But if you're buying these just to use for yourself, maybe. If you're somebody that just wants to make a fashion statement and have headphones in the form of glasses, maybe you're a kid and you are in class and you want to listen to music, I don't know, or cheat on the test, I don't know. But I do think that these smart audio glasses are interesting. Can't wait to test these out. Now, contrast to these smart audio glasses, here's another pair of smart glasses. These are a bit more pricey, around $50. And what it does is a shooting anti-shake, Wi-Fi transmission, dual mic noise reduction, single touch wear detection. I think my issue though is I don't know if these are clear or not. These might not be clear, and that would be a deal breaker for me personally. But I mean, looking at them, the packaging is like some of the best packaging I've seen for smart glasses so far. These are kind of nice. These are kind of nice. These are at a $50 price point. Now, the case is plastic. This is a plastic case. Don't like that. I do like the leather case that comes with the Meta Ray-Ban glasses. But again, these are really intriguing. These are intriguing. You have a camera right here. You have a camera right here. As you see, the two cameras. Now the case, this is pure plastic. Okay, so it has a USB and two Type-C. Wow. Interesting. Interesting. And then I assume that the charger is in here. Okay, and this is how the charger comes. It's another magnetic charger right here. That's very interesting. Very interesting. What do you guys think? These throw me off with the plastic casing. If it was a leather case, I probably would like it a lot more. It does tell you the range, has the safety logos right here as well. I think these are interesting. I think these versus the smart ones, I don't know which ones. I think I would have to take these both home and try them out. And I think that's what we'll do. We'll test these two and see exactly which ones are worth it. Because again, guys, these are really, really good alternatives. You have the Meta Ray-Ban glasses, $300, $400, but you can get some clear pair right here for $50. And it honestly seems similar. It's just the casing, in my opinion. So let me know what you guys think about these. I am thinking about ordering a few hundred or dozens, depending on the quality. I am currently testing them out as I'm recording this. Let me know in the comments, should I buy these by the bulk